Dear students of class 9, today I am going to prove one theorem on parallelogram. Prove that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Now, given ABCD is a parallelogram, given ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, here given ABCD is a quadrilateral where diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Now, to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Now proof. In triangle AOD and triangle BOC, this one triangle. AOD and BOC, this one AOD and this one BOC. Now, AD equal BC. AD equal BC we cannot write because it is a quadrilateral. We are given what? This side equal this side and this side equal this side. Now see, OA equal OC. OA equal OC. OB equal OD. OB equal OD. OB equal OD. And this is given. And this angle equal this angle, vertically opposite angle. And angle AOD equal angle BOC. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, according to side angle side, these two triangles become congruent. Therefore, triangle AOD, this one AOD. Triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. AOD, I'll write COB. AOD, COB. Congruent. Why? Side angle side criteria. Now these two triangles become congruent. If these two triangles become congruent, this one, and this one, and this one. So we can say this angle equal this angle. CPCT. If this angle equal this angle, then therefore angle OAD equal angle OAD equal angle OCB, OAD equal OCB, OCB. Why? Alternate angle, but alternate angle it will come later. I will write this one CPCT, CPCT, CPCT. But they are alternate angles. But they are alternate angles. So AD parallel to BC. If alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Therefore, AD parallel to BC. Therefore, AD parallel to BC. Similarly, from this triangle we can prove, from these two triangle we can prove AB parallel to CD. Similarly, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD similarly. If we prove these two triangle congruent, then this angle will be equal to this angle. Then these two lines will be parallel. AB parallel to CD. Since opposite sides are parallel, since this parallel to this we got and this parallel to this we got. Since opposite sides are parallel, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence proof.